A certain noise produces S equals 6.86 times 10 to the negative 4 watts per square meter of power. What is the decibel level of noise? Use the equation D for decibel equals 10 times log of S over S naught, where S naught is 10 times to the negative 12 watts per square meter. Well, this is just a little application where we can plug some numbers in. We're looking for decibel level D. We've got 10 log of S is this thing right here, 6.86 times 10 to the negative 4 over S naught, which is this thing here. That's just 10 to the negative 12. So we've got 10 times log of, here we can simplify the 10, the exponents on the 10. We bring the 12 up and add it to that, we get 6 times, or 6.86 times 10 to the positive 8. Now this is an answer, but we'd like it maybe an actual decimal. So we can plug this into our calculator. 10 log, I'm not going to put the base in because it's a base of 10, 6.86 times 10 to the 8. And we go ahead and hit enter, and that gives about 88.36. So 88.36, and that's in decibels. We're looking for the decibel level. So decibels.